Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your own Scratch account. You can start by going to the website scratch.mit.edu. Once you're there, click on Join Scratch. Once you're here, you're going to create your own username. Your username will be your initials plus your student number without the zeros. So my user ID or my username will be NE for Nate Evans, and then I'll just make up a number here to show you. I'll use 9111111. Your password will just be your student number without the zeros. Mine will be 9111111. And you have to type it again to make sure that it's correct. 9111111. After that, press Next. What country do you live in? We will pick the United States. Even if we were born in a different country, we live in the United States now, so we'll pick United States of America, the first one at the top. When were you born? You can pick the month you were born and the year you were born. I was born in October of 1979, so I picked the month and the year. If you need help with the year you were born, just ask a family member or pick a year that was around 2000 or so to give yourself a lot of time. Your gender, are you a boy or a girl? You'll pick male for a boy, female for a girl. Another gender would be something different, or prefer not to say would mean that you don't want to share what gender you are. Any of these answers are fine. What is your email? That will be your school email. And then click Create Your Account. And now here is your new username. Your password will be just the numbers. Then click Get Started. That will bring you back to the Scratch page and you'll see your number at the top. Once you're here, you can create a new project, explore other projects to play with, ideas to give you some guidance and tutorials on how to make things, and About shows you some other features. This is how you set up your Scratch account. I hope you enjoy playing with it. It's a lot of fun.